Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. We are back with another tutorial, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how I created this smoked out wing. And before starting the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any upcoming videos. So without any further ado, let's get onto the video. First of all, I am priming my face and then gently dabbing the primer into my skin. Now I am doing my brows as usual, and here I am brushing my brows with a spoolie, and afterwards I will fill it in with some brow powder. I am taking a black eye pencil, and from the outer corner of my eye I am creating a wing. Now using a flat angled brush, I will smudge out the black eye pencil. Now I am taking a dark brown shade on an angled brush and blending the black pencil with it. Now I am taking a very light brown shade on a pencil brush and smudging out the edges with it. Now using the same black pencil again, I will intensify the black color. Now I am applying concealer on my under eye area, bridge of the nose, forehead and chin. Now I will blend my foundation with a foundation brush and my concealer with a beauty blender. After blending the concealer, I applied false lashes and paint a stick into my waterline. Now I will bronze my face and contour my nose. Now I am applying blush on the apples of my cheeks and highlighter on the highest points of my cheekbones, bridge of the nose, cupid's bow and brow bone and my inner corner. Now I am outlining my lips with a brown lip pencil. After applying lip pencil, I am applying a medium brown lipstick all over my lips, and after that I will apply a lighter brown lipstick only on the center of my lips to give an ombre effect. So this is the final look guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to leave a like, comment and share with your friends. You can also follow us on Instagram and TikTok at AnB Makeup Artist.